Okay, this will be a retake of the elevator at Von Maur, formerly Lord & Taylor, here at Polaris Mall, Columbus, Ohio. We've got a KONE from 2001. Here it is, the lantern instead. Pretty small, it's only got a 2,500 pound capacity. Kind of see through the doors. Alright, go back up to UL. Door close does not work. Innovation universal buttons. There it goes, and that will be it.